Hello students, we are starting the new chapter number 3, that is the playing with numbers. Playing with numbers, right? So in the exercise 3.1, we have to do the factors, we have to find the factors and multiples of the number. Write all the factor of the following number. We are taking one example only, 24. Let's suppose you have 24. So 24, you have to find the number whose value is 24 in the table, like 1 into 24. 24 goes into the 2's table also, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6. Again, that is reverse. After that, you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. After that, 12, 24. Right? These all are the factor of 24. You have to find the factors of the number. In the next question, you have to find the multiple. Just you have to write the table. Multiple means table. 5. 5 multiple will be the 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. These are the multiple of 5. Just you have to write the table of that number. Right? Last question number 4. You have to find the multiple of 9 up to 100. Just again, you have to write the table of 9. That will be up to 90. After that, you have to write up to 100. So 90 plus 9 will be the 99. So up to 100, that will be the 99. 9 to 99. Next exercise, 3.2. In the exercise 3.2, there are the number like even number, odd number, prime number and composite number. Even number which goes on the table of 2, that are called as the even number, and which are not going on the table of 2, that is called as the odd number. Next is odd even number. Example are 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on. Odd number are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 up to so on, which are not on the table of 2. Next is prime number. Prime number are those number which are going on its own table and table of 1 and table of 1 only. So the prime number will start from 2, 3, 5, 7. After 7 there is a 11, 13, 17 up to so on. These are the prime numbers. So they are going on its own table. The 2 is that number only which is the even prime number, otherwise all the number will be odd. Right? Composite number that are going on the others table are having the factor other than 1 and itself number, like you have 4, 6, 8, 10, 9 also, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, these are the number. These are the composite number. So 1 is the number which is neither a prime number nor a composite number. You have to learn this point. The prime number will 2 is a even prime number and 1 is the number which is neither a prime nor a composite number. So what are the sum of any two odd number? You may take any two odd number, 1 plus 3, 1, 3, 4. So that is even number, right? Similarly, you may do the second part. Then after that, question number 3, the number 13 and 31 are the prime numbers. Both these numbers having the same digit 1 and 3. You have to find the such pair up to 100. So you have to take 17 and 71. These are the prime number. You may take you may see the two digits are 1 and 7. Similarly 37, 73, 79 and 97. These are the number which are prime also and having the two digit only. Same digit with the two number. Right? Next. Question number 8. Which of the following number are prime? Prime number, you may see 23 is going on one table and 23 itself. So 23 is the prime number. 51. It is going on the 3 and 17. So that is not the prime number. 37 is the prime number. It is not on the another tables. So 37 and 23 will be the prime number. 26, that's on the table of 2. 13 twos are 26. So it is not the prime number. Right? So like that you have to do this exercise. We are taking one more question. Question number 10. Express each of the following number as a sum of 3 odd primes. You have to write the odd number with the prime number. Odd number and prime number. No need to take 2. 21. 3 plus 7 plus 11. There are numerous examples by which you are getting 21, and odd numbers are also there. 31, 3 plus 11 plus 17. You may add this number, and these are the odd prime number. So these are the example of the odd prime number and whose sum is the given number, right? So this is the exercise 3.2. After the 3.2, next exercise is 3.3, divisibility test. Divisibility test of the different number. I am explaining the divisibility test, and you have to do this exercise by yourself only. First is divisibility test of the 2. Divisibility test of the 2. If any number is end with the 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, that number is divisible by 2. Whose last unit place is either 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, that is divisible by 2. 3. The sum of digit must be divisible by 3. That complete number will also divisible by 3. Like you have the second number is 990. 990. 99, 18. 18 plus 0 कितना है आपका? That is 18. That is in the table of 3, divisible by 3. So that complete number will be divisible by 3. Divisible by 4. How you will find the divisible by 4? You have to see whose last two digit. Let's suppose you have the 284. You have to see the last two digit only, and that digits should be divisible by 4. 84 is divisible by 4, then the complete number will be divisible by 4. Next is 5. Whose unit place is either 0 or 5 only. Whose unit place is 0 or 5. Like this number is divisible by 5. This number is divisible by 5. This number is divisible by 5. If 5 is here, then it will also divisible by 5. Similarly 6. If any number is divisible by 2 and 3, you have to check the number with the 2 divisibility 2 and 3, then the number itself will be the divisible by 2 and 3 both. After that we will do the 8. 7 is not in your syllabus. 8. 3, 7, 5, 6. You will see the last 3 digit must be divisible by 8. Then after that the complete number will be divisible by 8. 9. It is similar as that of the 3. You will add all the digits. Same example 990. 9 plus 9, 18 plus 0, 18. That number is divisible by 9. Here we are checking 3, we are checking here 9. If it is divisible by 9, then the complete number will be divisible by 9. 10. Whose unit place is 0, then that number will be divisible by 10. Same this one and this one. These are divisible by 10. 11. 11. In the 11 divisibility, what you have to see, you have to check the number. Let's suppose you have the 1331. You have to check whether it is divisible by 11 or not. You will write here the number from left to right. Right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4. You will add odd places number. 1, 3. 1 plus 3, that is 4. Then after that, even places number, 3 plus 1, again it is 4. And you will do the difference. If the difference is 0 or 11, if the difference is 0 or 11, then the complete number will be divisible by 11. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 11. So these divisibility tests you have to done in this exercise 3.3, right? So you have to complete in the fair notebook. Okay, goodbye.